Welcome to Blueprint Snap. In this video, you'll learn how the challenge cards included in the Snap Student Kit set students up for success when engineering with Snap. Snap is a build system that provides students the opportunity to creatively explore, develop, and understand mechanical engineering concepts through the engineering design process. The included challenge cards are a great way to quickly get up and running with your Snap Kit. Each takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete and introduces the different parts in your kit. Let's take a closer look at one of our challenge cards, rolling. This challenge card offers a fun way to build on a simple machine, the wheel and axle. Each challenge includes a parts list that lets you know what you'll need. Then, once you have all your parts, move on to the Learn section. First, our car needs 4 wheels, which we can make by combining a tire and 90mm pulley. Next, flip the challenge card over and build the car according to the image. Now we have a simple car that rolls. It's not a very fancy car, but that's on purpose. Now is the time to explore and come up with your own creative designs. We've explored a simple machine, learned how to make tires with Snap parts, and we're able to iterate on a build with our own creative flair. Not too shabby for only 20 minutes. Each Snap Kit comes with 15 challenge cards. Visit Sphero Central to review them all. Also, make sure to check out the free educator guide for implementation ideas, engineering tips, and extensions for each challenge. We can't wait to see what you build next.